Hey guys, yesterday we did the Clostridium difficile and the Clostridium pseudomonas and we also did the Clostridium titani. So today we are going to talk about the Clostridium botulism and difficile. So let's begin. So I'll just open the necessary PDFs, microbiology and job aids. So let's begin the Clostridium botulism. Okay. So C. botolium, which causes botulism, is worldwide in distribution, is found in soil and occasionally in animal species. Types of C. botolium are distinguished by antigenic type of toxin they produce. Spores of the organisms are highly resistant to heat, withstanding about 100 degrees Celsius for several hours. Heat resistance is diminished at acid pH or high salt concentration. So, Clostridium botulinum, it is found in an animal fishes, and they produce spores with 100 degrees Celsius of capacity for withstanding the heat. 100 degrees Celsius with standing. Withstanding means heat can bear. Beer means beer. Questioning the heat. So toxin. During the growth of C. botulinum and during autolysis of bacteria, toxin is liberated into the environment. 7. Antigenic varieties of toxins A to G are known. Type A, B, E, and F are the principal causes of human illness. Type A and Type B have been associated with a variety of foods, and Type E predominantly with fish products. Type C produces limber neck in birds. Type D causes botulism in mammals. Okay. Botulinum toxin is absorbed from the gut and binds to the receptors of presynaptic membranes of motor neuron of the peripheral nervous system and cranial nerves. This is important. So, from the gut and binds to receptors of presynaptic membranes, presynaptic of motor neurons of motor neurons of peripheral and central. So, proteolysis by light chain of botulinum toxin of the target snare proteins in neurons inhibit the release of acetylcholine at the synapse, resulting in lack of muscle contraction and paralysis. The snare proteins are synaptobravin, SNAP25, and syntaxin. The toxins of C. botulinum type A and E cleave the 25,000 molecular weight SNAP25. Type B toxin cleaves synaptobravin. C. botulinum toxin are among the most toxic substances known. The lethal dose for human beings is probably around 1 to 2 microgram per kilogram. The toxins are destroyed by heating for 20 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius. Rare strains of C. botulinum and C. baryti have also been shown to produce botulinum neurotoxin and cause botulism in humans. Strains that produce toxins A, B, or F are associated with the infant botulism. Okay. Pathogenesis. So, resurgence of wound botulism caused by type A or B toxin has occurred recently in US, the UK, and Germany. In association with the skin popping in association with the skin popping using contaminated black tar heroin. However, most cases of botulism represent an intoxication resulting from the ingestion of food in which C. botulinum has grown and produced toxin. The most common offenders are spiced, smoked, vacuum packed, or canned alkaline foods that are eaten without cooking. In such foods, spores of C. botulinum germinate, that is under anaerobic conditions. Vegetative forms grow and produce toxin. In infant botulinum, honey is the most frequent vehicle of the infection. The pathogenesis differs from the way that adults acquire infection. The infant ingests the spores of C. botulinum or C. butyricum or C. baryti, and the spores germinate within the intestinal tract. The vegetative cells produce toxin as they multiply. The neurotoxin then gets absorbed into the bloodstream. The toxin acts by blocking release of acetylcholine at synapses and neuromuscular junction. The result is flaccid paralysis. In case of tetanus, it was spastic. Okay. Remember, in this botulism, there is flaccid paralysis, and in case of the uh, tetanus, it is flaccid, spastic. Okay. In tetanus, spastic, and in botulism, it's called flaccid paralysis. Flaccid paralysis in botulism, and spastic paralysis in this tetanus. Okay. So okay, okay. Absorbed from intestinal tract. Blocking blocking release of Flaccid paralysis. Flaccid. Okay. So clinical findings. क्लिनिकल फाइंडिंग्स के अंदर क्या आता है? Symptoms begin 18 to 24 hours after ingestion of toxic food with visual disturbances in coordination. No one is there. No one. Fuck. Inability to swallow. Inability to swallow. Difficulty in speech. Difficulty in speech. And signs of bulbar palsy. Signs of यहाँ मत आ, यहाँ मत आ, लाइव स्ट्रीम कर रहा हूँ यूट्यूब पे। जाना है अभी?
तेरे मर्जी, मत जाना है तो मैं जाके आता हूँ फिर।
नहीं, अपन दोनों जाएंगे, रुक जरा।
नहीं, टाइम नहीं है।
तेरे को टाइम नहीं है क्या?
हाँ।
कहाँ जाना तेरे को?
मेरे को नहीं। लाइव चल रही है क्या?
Just give me 5 minutes.
No.
Why?
I didn't have time 1 minute also. I just want to go.
Where do you want to go?
To buy chicken.
And
That's all. And you just go to the daily and buy and rice, long rice. Okay. I think 8 or 6 lari. Okay. Just buy long rice, and I'll go to the charge house and I'll buy chicken. Okay. What do you say?
okay,
ठीक है। जाओ फिर। जल्दी जाके आजा। We will prepare biryani today.
okay.
Okay. ठीक है। You know how to prepare biryani? Okay. I'll prepare. You just taste. Okay. I'll leave. I'm leaving.
Bye
Bye. Sorry, I don't have time. That's why. I was leaving.
इतना क्या जरूरी काम है तेरे को?
But 6 को ना फिर she will be come here. Like tomorrow she has exam nervous system, so she needs some help for the paper discussion. Sorry, तो 6 बजे किधर आएगी ना वो? If we both are not here, how she will come?
ठीक. Okay, bro. Okay, you can go to churches and
And
bring chicken.
fuck you. If you wanna come, you just come. We will go in the cab. We will buy chicken. We will turn back.
I am fine. You go. I'll bring the rice when this live stream ends. Okay.
Okay, you just continue this live. I'll just bring the rice. I'll go to Chacha house and I'll bring this here.
You only bring the rice.
No, no, no. You just bring the rice.
Okay.
I'll bring only the chicken. Okay, you just go it here daily on the upstream.
Yeah, bro. I got it.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye bye. That was my roommate, guys. Okay, so diagnostic laboratory tests. Diagnostics. Diagnostic laboratory test. So, toxin can often be demonstrated in serum, gaseous secretion, or stool of patient, and toxin may be found in leftover food. Mice injected intravenously with such a specimen from this patient die rapidly. The antigenic type of toxin from is identified by neutralization with a specific antitoxin in mice. This mouse bioassay is the test of choice for confirmation of botulinum. C. botulinum may be grown from the food remains and tested for toxin production, but this is rarely done and is of questionable significance. In infant botulism, C. botulinum and toxin can be demonstrated in bowel contents but not in serum. Other methods used to detect toxin include ELISAs and PCR, but the latter may detect organisms that carry the gene but do not express toxin. So treatment. So potent antitoxin to three types of botulinum toxin have been prepared in horses because the type are responsible for an for an individual case is not usually known. Prevalent ABE antitoxin must be promptly administered intravenously with customary precautions. Adequate respiration must be maintained by mechanical ventilation if necessary. These measures have reduced the mortality rate from 65% to below 25%. Although most infants with botulinum recover with supportive care alone, antitoxin therapy is recommended. Okay. Often be demonstrated in serum and stool from patient. Stool means potty, guys. Stool means potty. So treatment. So treatment has three antitoxins. One second, guys. I'll check if the water is running or not. Because just one second, I'll come. So let's continue with the topic of botulism. Potent antitoxins. APE. Okay. Epidemiology, prevention and control. Um, and in pathogenesis, there is an extra point. It causes a symmetrical descending paralysis beginning with cranial nerves and progressing downwards. Downwards. Causes symmetrical descending paralysis. It causes symmetrical descending paralysis. Beginning with बोलना नहीं मैं सिर्फ चेक कर रहा था कि तू गलती से पानी तो नहीं ऑन किया ना तो ठीक है ना epidemiology prevention and control epidemiology by destruction of spores by by boiling for 20 minutes. Strict regulation. Avoidance of home canned food. Home canned food. Toxic foods may be spoiled and rancid and cans may swell, or the appearance may be innocuous. The risk from home canned foods can be reduced if the food is boiled for more than 20 minutes before consumption. Toxoids are used for active immunization of cattle in South Africa. Botulinum toxin is considered to be a major agent for bioterrorism and biological warfare. Okay, guys, so we have finished the botulinum. Botulism is finished once and for all. So next live stream we will continue the discussion about the streptococcus and staphylococcus. Okay. So yeah, until then, bye bye. Signing off. Thank you.